Okay, for this, you're going to need one of these clear pictures from the Dollar Tree. And you're also going to need a silhouette cutout of a witch, as well as a stencil here that I made. And I cut them both on my Cricut machine. And then you're going to need some Velcro. I have two choices here. Also some paint. I have metallic black and just plain old black. And then, of course, a brush and a little palette to put your paint on. And then some embellishments. These are all Halloween embellishments that I got on clearance over the years. And I just pulled them out to see what I wanted to use. Not sure yet. And you're going to need a scraper that I got from Dollar Tree and some scissors. Those scrapers come in a pack of 3, I think. What you do with the scraper is just scrape off the wording here. Some people use fingernail polish remover, but I find that it didn't work well for me because it's smeared and then the smell gets on my nerves too. But just scraping it off, as long as your scraper's sharp or whatever, it comes off really, really easily. So, and cleaner too. You know, once you get it off, you know, you just dump it in the trash and clean it off with a little alcohol or water on a paper towel or whatever. So, yep, comes off really easy. Okay, so here we are. I have my silhouette down so that I can see where the spacing will be for my wording. Again, I made this little stencil using just regular old cardstock, and I cut it out on my Cricut. I just, you know, typed in and out, and then the witches and ... So, you know, I'll have the words and everything down. So I'm just going to stencil on this. And, you know, once I get through, I can throw it in the trash. You don't necessarily have to have vellum or plastic or whatever to make a stencil. A fairly heavyweight paper like this cardstock will work just fine. And so I didn't like the metallic paint. It was a little too watery. So I actually used a regular old satin. It was either satin or gloss black paint. I think it was gloss. And so as you can see, I just stenciled it in, and then I stenciled the in and out. And now I'm going to pull one of these little spiders out of this embellishment that I got from, I think it was Michael's on clearance, and it has like these little spiders that look really realistic, and some little spider webs. They're just like scrapbooking or card making stickers or whatever. And then I had some more embellishments that I got. I think these were by Tim Holtz, and I got those on clearance, and had 2 little witch brooms in there. So I just took one out, and I kind of liked it because it looked as though the witch just propped her broom up on the side of the picture. So in this little package, it had some wands, like a witch's wand, if you will, and a spell book. So I took those out, and I'm just going to prop those against the broom. And, you know, it looks like she just put all of her tools right there on the side. So I'm just going to hot glue these down on the frame. Not using a whole lot, just a little bit. And I thought this was a really nice touch. To add a little dimension to this frame and everything. So just think outside the box, you know, whatever you want to put on this. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a witch. You could put, you know, warlock, I don't know. Or, you know, a little pumpkin, whatever you want to put on here. I'm just giving you, you know, the idea, and you take it and run with it. And I'm gluing down the little spell book now. You can even probably make a little broom and a spell book out of some scraps that you have. So, yeah, I'm just putting that down with a drop of glue, and then I'm going to add the little wand. And what I did, once I glued this down, this is going on my Diva Space door. And in my Diva Space / craft room, the colors are white and silver with a little bit of gold. So I wanted to add some sparkle, some little silver sparkle. So I went over the spell book, or should I say the wand, with a little silver stickles, or like stickles, or they remind me of like glitter glue. I just wanted a little bit more of a sparkle, and you'll see that in the pictures in the end right there, because like I said, the theme or the color scheme that I have going in my Diva Space is silver, white, and you know, a little hint of gold here or there, and it's really sparkly. And if you've seen the room tour, you know that. But anyway, I just wanted it to sort of coordinate a little bit better. Just add a little pop of bling. So right here, I'm going to add the Velcro, which is going to hold the sign, or the little, you know, whatever it is you want to call it, to let you know whether I'm in or out. Let's put it that way. So I was trying to debate if I want to use the white on the glass, but I think I'm going to do the black. And I chose initially this little witch hat, but it was too small. I thought the scale of it was too small. And as you can see, I went over that too with the stickles, the little sparkly stickles to add a little bling, but it was too small. So what I'm going to do is use one of these spider webs. It's sparkly. It has a little bling on it. Has some little jewels on it with the spider in the center. So I thought that was better. And, you know, the witch already has a hat on, so I think that works out better. So it's sticky on the back because it's a sticker. So what I'm going to do is stick it to the felt and cut it out. And, you know, the felt will adhere to the Velcro. So, you know, it's a good 2-in-1 little thing here. So I'm cutting it out, and it's really easy to cut. I'm using some embroidery scissors to cut around the felt, and I'm cutting slightly underneath so that the felt won't stick out. All you see is the spider web itself, and I'm just trimming off the little rough edges here. And it was really super easy to do. And I was glad that I had these embellishments in my stash. And so I love how that looks. And I'm just showing you how the felt sticks to the Velcro. And there is that. So I am so loving how this turned out. And so right now I'm going to add the hanger. This is the glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I initially cut it out to sort of hang like this, you know, but then I thought that was just a little too long and I didn't like how it looked. So what I'm going to do is just make a smaller hanger just to hang, you know, it on the door right here. Just a little loop for a hanger. So I'm cutting that off. And I'm going to glue the loop together before I attach it to the back of the frame. And I'm just kind of centering it to see how it will look. And so I'm going to, like I said, glue, you know, the loop together and then attach it to the back of the frame. And here I am gluing the loop together. And that ribbon has a lot of fallout. I swear I have so many micro spots of glitter everywhere. It's pretty, but it's somewhat messy. Yeah, so if you pick it up, just keep that in mind. But it's really nice. Just protect your surface or have a nice little vacuum, hand vacuum on hand to clean all that up. Okay, so again, I'm trying to center it and see how it looks, and then I'm going to attach it. So yeah, that is it for this DIY. I hope you like it. I have more Halloween and fall DIYs coming. If you want to see more like this, please let me know down below. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload another video. Yeah, so stay tuned for pictures, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.